This is Val, this is how you do it. I already walked up to the stop sign and I'm on my way back, y'all. Stop sign, way back there. And I'm on my way back. I stopped then and broke my stride, but your girl doing it. Whew. I'm holding this little ball. That what was shaking, y'all. See how it's moving? So I've got my finger on it, keep from making that noise, and I'm walking. Whew. On the way up here, the reason I didn't turn y'all on earlier is I talked to Tanya on the walk going up there. Yeah. So I was talking and walking on, you know, on the phone with my earpiece and making it back to the house. Let y'all know that I did do my walk. I am doing my walk. I sent you a video this morning. I'm requesting your prayers. Ask Jesus to be my lawyer, even though he's already my doctor, and he's telling me what I need to do. Meet him, you know, put some feet on my faith, which I'm trying to do. Okay. And I ask y'all who know the work of prayer to pray for me. Thank you. If you watch the other video, the one that says be happy, that's the one where I tell you a little bit more in detail. Right now, I'm doing some tall walking, y'all. Some tall walking. Okay. Almost to the house, y'all. Believe it or not, I done passed the Goose and the Gander. That's that place right there where the fishing pond is. You can probably see it through them trees right there, but it's hard to see unless you walk right up on it. Yep. Y'all, I'm enjoying this walk. I don't know if y'all can see this. If you look at my forehead, sweat just dripping. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I'm enjoying my walk. I don't know about y'all, but I'm enjoying it. I was looking forward to it, tell you the truth. Couldn't wait to get out here. I just changed hands, y'all. Yeah, looking forward to it. You know, when you start looking forward to something, that's a good sign. When you stop dreading it, yeah, that's a good sign. Yep. I'm looking at, look at that. Look like the swamps of Mississippi. Look at that. Look at that. But you're right here in Montgomery, Alabama, and you got people, got stuff going on behind it. And it ain't that far. Cause that same stuff where you saw look like swamp, that no swamp. That's where the cowboys do their roping at. They practice roping, and sometimes they have events here like twice a year where they, you know, have stalls set up where they selling food and tickets, and people come to see them work them cows and horses, and they be doing it too. I haven't showed y'all none of the horses. One day I'll probably show them to you. I used to have a horse. My horse was ornery. All I did was feed it. Didn't want you to ride it. He let Vincent ride. I guess I was too scared. I fed that thing, he was fat and healthy. But then, you know, he had too much spirit for me. He wasn't tame enough. So I gave him back to the people we got him from. Yeah. We're gonna put a fish pond where we used to keep the horse. I'm gonna show you where it's gonna be. Actually, Willie gonna dig it himself with his first cousin that live in that house right there. See that? See that where that pine tree sticking out the ground? The tall one? Let me zoom in. See that tree right there? All in that area, bagging up this way. We're gonna dig a fish pond right there. But the horse used to be out there. Had a fence up and had him fenced in. He was something else. We called him Lucky, because he was lucky to be with us. I told you I like animals. I had a little dog, a rat terrier, that I called Fancy, because she was fancy. I had her nails painted. She had jewelry around her neck. She had her little clothes, and I carried her in my purse, and I called her Fancy. Whew. And then we had an Oh My cat. That's some big cats, real big cats, that got the stripes all over them. And we called him Tito. Yeah, Tito was a good cat. Fancy was a good dog. Lucky was an ornery horse with a lot of spirit. And then we had a Rottweiler called Zeus. So I like animals. The Rottweiler had been to obedience school and all of that. So, whew, I'm back at the house, y'all. Yep. I know this ain't much film for y'all, but I just wanted to document that I did walk. To document it. Yeah. I got the door locked, so when I get to the door, I'm gonna cut it off. You know. Yep. Do that thing, y'all. Yeah. I see you out there. Yep. And this is Val. With This Is How You Do It. Back at the house. And thank y'all for joining me. Bye-bye now.